In this video, I'll show you how to link and unlink your video and audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we're going to start just by dragging some video footage over to the timeline here. And you can see that currently we have both of our video and audio track linked together. So that means every time we select our video, it's automatically going to select the audio. And I'm going to show you now how to unlink these. So what you need to do is just right click on the clip like so, and then select unlink. And now we have both the video clip and the audio clip unlinked. So what we can do is drag the video footage over to the right like this, and you can see it's no longer linked to the audio. Now it does mean that the audio won't be in sync with the video anymore, but if you just want to get rid of an audio track, for example, then this is a great way to do this. Now if you want to relink the clips together, then we can do that just by resyncing the video and the audio clip together like this, selecting both the video and the audio footage by holding down the shift key, and then we can right click and press link. Now if for some reason this doesn't work, then you can also right click and we can press nest instead, select OK, and this is another way to link two clips together. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next